Important message. This video contains valid emergency alert system, EAS, tones. These tones can cause nationwide activations of the emergency alert system. The content creator, or content creators, are not responsible for illegal use of valid emergency alert system tones. In addition, the events in this video are purely fictional. Any real-life events that are similar to the events that occurred in this video are coincidental. With that being said, please enjoy the video.
Tornado emergency for the warned area. Take cover now. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for Washita County in western Oklahoma, Woods County in northwestern Oklahoma, Lincoln County in central Oklahoma, Blaine County in northwestern Oklahoma, Grant County in northern Oklahoma, Woodward County in northwestern Oklahoma, Kay County in northern Oklahoma, Atoka County in southeastern Oklahoma, Murray County in southern Oklahoma, Beckham County in western Oklahoma, Comanche County in southwestern Oklahoma, Cotton County in southwestern Oklahoma, Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, Harper County in northwestern Oklahoma, Dewey County in northwestern Oklahoma, Greer County in southwestern Oklahoma, Canadian County in central Oklahoma, McLean County in central Oklahoma, Bryan County in southeastern Oklahoma, Seminole County in east central Oklahoma, Tillman County in southwestern Oklahoma, Jefferson County in southern Oklahoma, Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, Garvin County in southern Oklahoma, Love County in southern Oklahoma, Caddo County in southwestern Oklahoma, Kiowa County in southwestern Oklahoma, Alfalfa County in northwestern Oklahoma, Custer County in western Oklahoma, Pontotoc County in east central Oklahoma, Marshall County in southeastern Oklahoma, Noble County in northern Oklahoma, Jackson County in southwestern Oklahoma, Harmon County in southwestern Oklahoma, Garfield County in northern Oklahoma, Pottawatomie County in central Oklahoma, Johnston County in southeastern Oklahoma, Grady County in central Oklahoma, Roger Mills County in western Oklahoma, Logan County in central Oklahoma, Ellis County in northwestern Oklahoma, Cole County in southeastern Oklahoma, Stevens County in southern Oklahoma, Carter County in southern Oklahoma, Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, Payne County in central Oklahoma, Major County in northwestern Oklahoma, Hughes County in southeastern Oklahoma, Wichita County in northern Texas, Ford County in northern Texas, Hardman County in northern Texas, Clay County in northern Texas, Baylor County in northern Texas, Archer County in northern Texas, Knox County in northern Texas, Wilbarger County in northern Texas, until 1:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed 93 miles southeast of Lighthouse Island, or 98 miles southeast of Winnipeg Bay entrance, and is nearly stationary. Doppler radar has detected intense rotation. 4 million square miles of rotation was confirmed by Doppler radar. The tornado is rotating at 10 million miles an hour. Tornado emergency for the warned area. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Expected hazards included a deadly 4 million square mile wide tornado. Tornadic debris has been confirmed by radar. The following impacts are expected. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will offer no shelter and will be completely destroyed. Catastrophic damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is expected. Absolute devastation is possible. Areas will be unrecognizable to survivors. Trees will be uprooted. Structures will collapse. Unsecured light objects will be dangerous projectiles. Take cover now. Locations impacted include Oklahoma City, Norman, Wichita Falls, Lawton, Edmond, Moore, Midwest City, Enid, Stillwater, Shawnee, Ponca Ponca City, Ardmore, Duncan, Del City, Altus, Ada, El Reno, Chicoche, Durant, and Woodward. The tornado is expected to impact the entire United States. Take cover now. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A large and extremely dangerous tornado is on the ground. Take immediate tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation. Take cover now. Take cover now. Take cover now. There is no possible way of surviving this tornado. This tornado will cause complete devastation across the entire country and possibly to the entire world.